Hello students. Today we will discuss about the human digestive system. We know that human digestive system is very complicated. It is made up of two parts, that is alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal is complete in case of human being. Alimentary canal is complete in case of human being. What is meant by complete alimentary canal? Complete alimentary canal is that alimentary canal which has two ends, that is both mouth and anus are present. That type of alimentary canal is known as complete alimentary canal. Alimentary canal in case of human being has different parts, that is mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These are the parts of alimentary canal. Digestive glands are three in human being, that is salivary gland. Salivary gland is found in mouth, liver, and number 3 is pancreas. These are three digestive glands found in human being. Now, human digestive system start from mouth to anus. This has nearly 27 feet long tubular structure, and when food comes into the alimentary canal, at each step some changes takes place in our food, which are chemical changes as well as physical changes in case of human being. This is our digestive system. Students, this is mouth, this is esophagus, this is stomach, this is our small intestine, and this our small intestine is highly quiet in case of human being, and it is nearly 26 feet long tubular structure. This is small intestine. This is large intestine. This is rectum, and this is anus. This is structure of human digestive system. This is liver, and this thing is pancreas. So let's start our digestive system step by step. First of all, food enters into the mouth. When we put the food into the mouth, digestion starts. Mouth has, that is tongue, buccal cavity, and teeth. These things are found in our mouth. First of all, we put the food into the buccal cavity. What is buccal cavity? Buccal cavity is the hollow space inside our mouth. Hollow space where food is put into the mouth, that is buccal cavity. After this, tongue. Tongue has different functions. Taste and mix the food particles into the mouth. Teeth. Teeth are of two types, that is temporary teeth and permanent teeth. When temporary teeth are removed, these are 20 in number, then permanent teeth takes place in our body, and after full maturity, 32 permanent teeth are present. If we want to take, this is the dental formula of human teeth. Human being के अंदर 4 types of teeth are present. That is canines, incisors, premolar, and molar. Canines 2, incisor 1, premolar 2, and molar are 3. 8 into 4, these are 32 teeth found in human being. Teeth are of 4 types. I have already told you: incisor, canines, premolar, and molar. After this, one thing also happens into our mouth. There are 3 pairs of salivary gland in mouth. 3 pairs of salivary gland in mouth, from which saliva is secreted into the mouth, and saliva contains ptyalin. टाइलिन नाम का एक एंजाइम मुंह के अंदर, हमारे खाने के अंदर मिक्सअप हो जाता है, और इस टाइलिन का मेन काम क्या है कि टाइलिन ब्रेक डाउन द स्टार्च इनटू माल्टोज. स्टार्च को माल्टोज में बदल देता है टाइलिन. माल्टोज इज सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च. If starch will not change into maltose, starch will not digest, or this happens into the mouth only when saliva mix up into the food. और सलेवा के अंदर भी टाइलिन नाम का एंजाइम स्टार्च को तोड़ता है और वो माल्टोज में बदलता है, तब हमारे खाने के अंदर जो स्टार्च होता है वो डाइजेस्ट होता है. So we can say that what is starch? Starch is a type of carbohydrate. So we can say that digestion of carbohydrates starts into the mouth. माउथ के अंदर कार्बोहाइड्रेट का डाइजेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. उसके बाद खाना आता है ओस्योफेगस. This is oesophagus. This is the place where no digestion takes place. It only check the size of food particles. ओस्योफेगस के अंदर फूड पार्टिकल्स का साइज चेक होता है. अगर फूड पार्टिकल का साइज ज्यादा बड़ा है तो वो ओस्योफेगस इसको अंदर जाने के लिए अलाउ नहीं करता. वो बाद में छोटा होता है तब उसको ये अंदर जाने के लिए अलाउ करता है. देन थर्ड पार्ट इज that is digestion in stomach. Stomach is a bag-like structure whose capacity is 13 liter in mature person, and this is the site where food is temporarily stored. Food is temporarily stored here 4 to 6 hours. This is our stomach. And when food stored here, a juice releases from the walls of stomach, and that is known as gastric juice. Gastric juice is mixed into the food. This is not a simple juice. This is made up of 3 types of juices which help in digestion of different components of our food. This contains HCl, mucus, pepsin. First of all, HCl का क्या फंक्शन है? HCl खाने को जर्म फ्री करता है. अगर हमारे खाने के साथ कोई माइक्रोब एंटर कर जाए तो ये HCl उसको मारने का काम करता है ताकि इंटरनल पार्ट्स को वो माइक्रोब नुकसान ना पहुंचा सके. दूसरा HCl का काम है इट सॉफ्टन द फूड. It makes germ free the food and it makes soften the food. It makes the medium acidic. This is the function of HCl in stomach. Then mucus. Mucus makes the food lubricant and decreases the action of HCl. If there is large amount of HCl in our food and mucus is less amount, then we become peptic ulcer. That is a type of disease. We will discuss in higher classes about the disease. Next, third is that is pepsin. Pepsin break the protein into peptone. Pepsin breaks the proteins into peptones. This happens into the stomach. After this food enters into the small intestine. When food enters into the small intestine is divided into 3 parts. This C-shape, duodenum. Second, highly coiled part. This is highly coiled part, jejunum. And third, this is the last part is ileum. These are 3 parts of small intestine. First of all, this C-shaped part is the duodenal part of small intestine. And when the food from the signature muscles of stomach enters into this duodenal part of small intestine, here a common duct from liver and pancreas. This is pancreas and this is liver. A common duct from liver and pancreas. This is common duct. It brings the contents of liver. liver से भी ये जो common duct है bile juice लेके आती है और this bile juice helps in emulsification of the fats. What is emulsification? Emulsification is breakdown of big molecules of fats into small globules. फैट के के बड़े मॉलिक्यूल्स को छोटी छोटी गोलियों में तोड़ना, दैट इज नोन एज इमल्सिफिकेशन। दैट इज इमल्सिफिकेशन। ये इमल्सिफिकेशन काम किसका है? इट इज द वर्क ऑफ बाइल जूस। तो वी कैन से दैट डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट्स starts into the small intestine। यहाँ पे जब खाना आता है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर, तो यहाँ पे फैट का डाइजेशन शुरू हो जाता है। और फैट के डाइजेशन की फर्स्ट है इमल्सिफिकेशन। इमल्सिफिकेशन की डेफिनेशन मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ कि फैट्स के बड़े मॉलिक्यूल्स छोटे में टूट जाते हैं, छोटी छोटी गोलिकाओं में टूट जाते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज इमल्सिफिकेशन। देन कॉमन डक्ट also brings the contents of pancreas. Pancreas plays two types of functions. Pancreas plays two types of functions, that is exocrine and second is endocrine. What is exocrine function? पैनक्रियाज का बाहर वाला पोर्शन, इससे पैनक्रिएटिक जूस रिलीज होता है और वो पैनक्रिएटिक जूस इसके एक्सोक्राइन फंक्शन के कारण इससे रिलीज होता है और हमारे खाने के अंदर ड्यूडेनल पार्ट ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर ही ये आके गिर जाता है। Second, endocrine. Endocrine is that function which comes from the inside of the pancreas. That is endocrine. और यहाँ से हार्मोन इंसुलिन, ये हार्मोन रिलीज होता है which is responsible to regulate the level of sugar in blood. Regulate the level of sugar in blood. This is hormone insulin. हमारे रक्त के अंदर ग्लूकोज के लेवल को बनाए रखने के लिए ये इंसुलिन हार्मोन पैनक्रियाज से सिक्रेट होता है, और अगर ज्यादा शुगर ब्लड में है तो ज्यादा इंसुलिन सिक्रेट होकर उसके लेवल को रेगुलेट कर देगा। अगर कम शुगर है तो कम इंसुलिन सिक्रेट होकर उसको लेवल को मेंटेन कर देगा। अगर शुगर ज्यादा है, इंसुलिन कम सिक्रेट हुआ, तो देन वी बिकम्स डायबिटिक्स। मधुमेह नाम की बीमारी जो है हमें हो जाती है अगर पैनक्रियाज से इंसुलिन सिक्रेट नहीं होता या कम सिक्रेट होता है जो उससे। देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज jejunum. This is the highly coiled part of the small intestine, or when the food reached into the jejunum part of the small intestine, here a change takes place. यहाँ तक आते आते खाना जो है एक बिल्कुल बारीक पीस जाता है, और पीसने के बाद here absorption of food takes place. How does absorption takes place? Small intestine contains a minute finger-like structures which are known as villi. That is villi. Villi plays an important function in absorption of digested food. And second, increases the internal surface area. Increases the internal surface area. When chyme food, that is chyme. What is chyme? बारीक पिसा हुआ खाना, लुगदी की तरह बना हुआ खाना, जब स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के ड्यूडेनल पार्ट से ड्यूडेनियम पार्ट के अंदर आता है, तो यहाँ पे आने के बाद एक इंटेस्टाइनल जूस वो भी खाने के अंदर मिक्सअप हो जाता है। Intestinal juice. It also contains many types of enzymes which are responsible for digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins in our body. When food comes into the jejunal part और यहाँ तक आते आते हमारे खाने के अंदर जो प्रोटीन्स थे they change into amino acid. फैट्स खाने के अंदर जो होते हैं दे चेंज इनटू फैटी एसिड्स एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स चेंजेस इनटू ग्लूकोज. दिस इज द simplest food. Here this part of food is absorbed by our duodenum and jejunal part of small intestine. After this, remaining wastes come into the large intestine. So we can say digestion in large intestine also very important thing. और यहाँ पे large intestine के अंदर खाने के अंदर क्या चेंजेस आते हैं? First, large intestine absorb the extra water. Absorption of extra water. It also absorbs some drugs. This is the function of large intestine. And then remaining waste food is stored into the rectum. This is the rectum part of large intestine. और rectum में waste कितने तक store रहते हैं, कितने तक एनस के द्वारा उस waste products को बाहर नहीं निकाल दिया जाता. Waste products जब body से बाहर निकल जाते हैं तो digestion of food completes inside our body. Thank you. I hope you will know very well this topic. If there is problem, you can contact with me. Thank you.